Hello, welcome back to my Radiology Q&A session. I'm Dr. Priya. Here is today's MCQ. A 57-year-old man underwent an endovascular repair for an abdominal aortic aneurysm 6 months ago. The stent graft now extends from the infrarenal region, enhancing the common iliac arteries bilaterally. A recent CT scan shows that the aneurysm sac has enlarged with contrast within the sac at the origin of the inferior mesenteric artery. So, you are asked about what is the most probable diagnosis here. Answer A, type 3 endoleak. Answers B, type 5 endoleak. C, type 1B. D, type 2. And E, type 1A endoleak. So, what do you think about the answer? Comment the answer below and we'll discuss the answers one by one. Ta-da! It's the answer time! So, in this scenario, the aneurysm sac has enlarged and there is a blush of contrast within the sac at the origin of the inferior mesenteric artery. Therefore, the specific finding points to a yes, type 2 endoleak. Unlike other types of endoleaks, a type 2 endoleaks involves blood flow into the aneurysm sac from nearby vessels such as the inferior mesenteric artery, and this matches the description in this question, making type 2 endoleak the most probable diagnosis. So we'll discuss about these endoleaks a little bit now. So type 1A endoleak occurs when the top attachment site of the stent graft doesn't seal properly, allowing blood to leak into the aneurysm sac. Think of it as a lid that doesn't quite fit on the top of a container. And type 1B endoleak is similar to type 1A, but the leak happens at the bottom attachment site of the stent graft. It's like a lid that doesn't fit on the bottom of a container. And type 2 endoleak happens when blood flows into the aneurysm sac from nearby vessels like side stream feeding into a river. It's the most common type and often associated with the enlargement of the aneurysm sac. Type 3 endoleak occurs when there's defects or misalignment in the stent graft itself, like a leak in a garden hose where the sections connect. Type 4 endoleak occurs due to the porosity or the holes of the graft material itself, allowing blood to seep through the graft wall into the aneurysm sac. It's like water seeping through a porous container. Type 4 endoleaks are rare and typically associated with certain types of graft materials only. And the final one is type 5 endoleak, which is also known as the endotension. This is a rare type where the aneurysm sac enlarges without visible blood flow into it on imaging. So imagine a balloon expanding without an obvious source of air. So this is about the different types of endoleaks. I hope you got it clear. We'll meet from another MCQ like this. Bye bye.